What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well with you today. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back to the channel, guys. All right, today I'm back to talk about Matrix Pro Leads. I love this company because they give us a supply of leads. They offer a service, okay? So everybody needs leads. We're in the home-based business niche, and we're here to make money. We're here to show people how they can do it as well, okay, from the comfort of your home. So Matrix Pro Leads gives us opportunity buyers, okay? So I want to talk about that real quick. Let's check this out first, and then I'll get to what I want to tell you guys. Watch this.
Hi, and welcome to Matrix Pro Leads. My name's Leroy. I'm going to be your guest host on this short video presentation. I've got some leads and some information that you're going to be very, very excited about. In fact, like our little saying right here, join, promote, and earn. That's what you're going to do here. Now, what makes Matrix Pro Leads different is that instead of having business opportunity seekers, we're dealing with business opportunity buyers. So you can imagine, if you take a look at any kind of funnel, you've got all the seekers are going to come in, a lot of people there, and out of the seekers, some much smaller percentage of those people are going to actually spend money on a business, whether it's a at-home course, a network marketing company, whatever it is. To actually get them to come in and then spend money on it, that's a much smaller group. So you'd rather deal with that group that's already proven that they're more serious than just the seeker, right? So if you can start dealing with business opportunity buyers, you've changed your business, and that's what we have here at Matrix Pro Leads. And you can start getting those leads for as little as $30 per 100. And a lot of people are going to get on a $30 a month, $40 a month program, and get the leads that they want. So you not only can do that here, but you also can promote this and earn an income, and I'm going to cover that as well. Plus, on top of that, I'm also going to very briefly let you know about a way to be able to contact these leads. Let's, for example, say you got 100 leads from us, be able to contact those 100 leads in about 5 minutes with a ringless message directly to the cell phone of each one of your prospects, so that you don't have to call all 100 of them. The system will do it for you. And again, it's a separate system. It's not part of Matrix Pro Leads, but I'm an expert in that field, and I know that anyone using these leads can also take advantage of that sort of technology. And if you understand that, you'll be even more excited about these leads. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Okay, now if you want to hear more of that presentation, go ahead and click the link below or go to www.buyerleads.info, okay, and get all the information about Matrix Pro Leads. He does a great presentation on explaining all of that, okay? So buyer leads, people that have actually raised their hand and said, hey, I'm over here, I'm interested, show me what you got. I'm interested in a business opportunity, in home-based business. I want to know how to make money online. What do you have? Send me an email, send me a text. I'm open. Okay, so these are buyers, and they've already spent money in the past. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to show you the lead packages. And then I want to show you that you can actually make money with this opportunity. I think the last video I did, I actually showed you where one of our members that has never made money online made $396 commission, just simply sharing his link, you know, with someone that actually bought some leads, okay? Because we all need leads. You're not going to be in business if you don't have people to look at your offer. That's the other thing. Think about it. Ask yourself, I'm in an opportunity, a business opportunity. How's that working out for you? Okay. Do you have people inquiring? Do you have people going to your page, opting in, giving you their email address, saying, hey, send me more information? Or have you found that to be a challenge or a struggle for you? And most people do, especially if they're new. They have nowhere to start, especially if they've already gone through their friends, family, co-workers. How else are you going to present this opportunity to people? Okay, so this takes that hurdle away. The leads are already here. As soon as you pick a package, the company is going to email you those leads. And if you actually pick the direct mail leads, they're going to mail them to you. Otherwise, all of them are going to be emailed to you instantly. Okay, pretty much within that day or within hours, you get those leads instantly. Okay, so you don't have to look around for people. You don't have to bother people on social media. You don't have to do any of that, guys. The leads are already here. Just pick a package and boom, they come to your inbox. Okay, so let's go take a look at that. Okay, so from that page where we just looked at the video, you click get started. Okay, and this is the page that comes up. Okay, and it'll have my name right here as a distributor. So you can order directly from this page. Let's take a look at the packages. Okay, so we come down, you're gonna see this information here. This is for folks that's gonna inquire for more information. But let's go here. Let's say we want to order some leads. Okay, you see this page, and then they give you they discuss the guarantee. If you're doing the direct mail leads, for every return that you get, that company, Matrix Pro Leads, is going to give you a refund of 50 cents per each return for each bad address. Okay, so I mean, it's a win-win. I don't know many companies that's going to do that. So you get a guarantee there. Okay, even if you have email, if you buy the email leads, they're going to give you a replacement. Okay, so they offer a guarantee. So let's say we just want to be a customer. So we click order as a customer, and right here are the options. So for the direct mail leads, guys, what do you get? With the direct mail leads, they come with the full name and the address, okay, of interested opportunity buyers. Okay, so they're going to email you the leads first, and then they're going to mail you your leads on pill and stick labels. Okay, so you'll see this little box here for direct mail. All right, so for 30 bucks, you get 100 people that have said, hey, send me some information. I mean, you don't have to look for people. You don't have to spam people on Facebook. You don't have to do any of that. Just go here, click a button, and get 100 leads just like that in your inbox. Okay, if you want the email leads, they're also $30, and they'll email it. All of them are going to be emailed to you. Okay, so with the direct mail ones, they'll come in the mail and they'll be emailed to you. The email leads will come to your inbox. They're not going to be mailed to you. The only one's going to be mailed is the direct mail leads at this time. Later on, they're going to do that. Okay, so for $30, you can get the email address, the address, the name of the person. Okay, all for 30 bucks. If you click details, it tells you right here. They're going to be emailed to you in a CSV file format. The name, the mailing address, email address, and phone number. For 30 bucks, you got 100 people coming to your inbox like that. You don't have to look for people and search around for them. That just makes no sense to me. Why not just get 100 leads up front and not have to chase people around? Okay, these people are targeted people. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go look at that. I'm just gonna skim through it real quick. So you can get 250 buyers direct mail leads for 70 bucks. You can get 250 email leads for 70 bucks. You can get the call and text leads for $80, or you can get 500 leads for $135. If you want the call and text leads, they're $145. You can get 1,000 leads for $240, or you can get the call and text leads for $240. And of course, if you want more, all you have to do is go to the contact right here. Once you go to the link and inquire about 2,000 leads, 3,000 leads, 4,000 leads, how many ever leads you want, if the quantity is not here. Okay, so these people are already ready and open, okay, to receive your information. So why not go with a guarantee and not have the rejection and be on social media all day looking for people when they're right here in front of you? All right, so I'm a product of the product. Okay, right here, here's my subscription. If you look, July 1st, I signed up as a business builder. I received my subscription via email right here. See, it says CSV file, and then they also mailed them to me on the 1st. They went out, and here's the envelope right here. I circled it. It says July. Okay, this is my July subscription. I've already mailed them out. Okay, I received them in the mail and I put them right back in the mail for my Postcard Tycoon business. Okay, so you can go check that out too, www.thepostcarddiva.com. But check it out. So right here they reminded me 5 days prior that, hey, your auto ship is going to be billed in 5 days, and they did that on July 1st, and they mailed them to me. This company is on point. Okay, they follow up with you. If you have a question, all you have to do is email them. They send your leads out to you just like they say they will. You'll get a tracking number so you can track them and know when they come and when they've been delivered. Okay, so this is definitely where you want to be. You want to get your leads, become a business builder. If you don't want to do that, at least try the leads out, become a customer, use the leads. Me, I'm a business builder. I'm here to build a business, so I'm an affiliate. Okay, so let me show you that real quick. But before we do that, let me show you I received a payment. They pay you every week. Okay, right here, $150, $130 they deposited. Okay, I received a payment. So the company pays you to refer people. You're referring people anyway to some company out there, but are they paying you? Matrix Pro Leads, they do that. So order you some leads, guys. Start promoting your business, whatever it is. If you're in a business opportunity with me, get with me. Let's get your marketing plan. Let's figure out how you're going to market, okay, so that we can get you some results. Now check this out. Somebody sent me a Matrix Pro Leads postcard in the mail. I scratched out their link here, but look, you can promote Matrix Pro Leads sending out the postcard. They have postcards and flyers, so you can do this as a business opportunity solely if you choose to do that. Let me show you the capture page that I use for Matrix Pro Leads to promote it. Okay, here's the marketing system that I use. Go to buyerleads.info. okay, enter your information and it's going to take you to the sales page, okay, which is this page right here. And watch this video that will explain everything about Matrix Pro Leads. And then when you want to get started and order leads or become an affiliate, just click Get Started and it will take you to the page to order your leads. Okay, so just go there and decide whether you want to be a customer or an affiliate. Guess what, guys? It's only $4.95 to be an affiliate. Okay, but if you want to be a business builder, just pick a package and you'll pay that plus the $4.95. So in other words, the lowest package is $30. Remember, I just showed you that. Okay, so let's say you said, well, hey, I want to be a business builder too. So you would just go here and you decide which one of these packages you want, and it'll be $4.95 plus that amount. So for an example, if you want the direct mail leads, it'll be $30 plus $4.95 today, and it's $34.95 every month, and you'll get your leads auto shipped to you. If you do direct mail, they'll come in the email and they'll come in the mail. If you do the email or any of the other options, you'll get them emailed to you. Okay, as soon as you pay, they'll email them to you, and that's every month. So you just decide which quantity or which package you want, add that plus $4.95. Now you're a business builder and you can get paid up to 10 levels of commission. That's what this illustration speaks on, as well as this video will explain that. Okay, that's it, guys. So get your leads, get started, join Matrix Pro Leads, or become a customer at least. Okay, because you need leads anyway. So be a product of the product. So go check it out, www.buyerleads.info. Get started. As it states, join, promote, and earn. Okay, because you need leads anyway. With that being said, guys, thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, so until next time, you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.